Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an electronic stamp in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this review option and here you will find this stamp function. Click on the down arrow. There are many example stamp here. You can use here or you can copy paste or insert a signature stamp from your file. Select create new stamp, type your stamp name. Here you can type your text stamp or you can insert and see this. In this way you can insert or select this image or file option. Here select browse and then insert this stamp and see this. You can see in this stamp opacities if you want. Now select OK and inside select hand option like insert and see this. In this way you can insert an electronic stamp. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.